Hey all, Dan Harper here. I'm working on a big contract with the DSFM, which is a French school division with schools all over the province. On my way back from some of these, I'm trying to visit an interesting place in Manitoba, and the footage you're seeing here is from Pinawa Dam, which was on my way back from Saint-Georges. I want to give you a bit of information and history of the Pinawa Dam for anybody who doesn't know and might be thinking of visiting, but I'm only going to talk for a small portion of this video, and for the rest you can just sit back and chill to my serene stock video scenes and tunes. Or you can just mute me from the start and put on your own tunes, but only after you subscribe to the channel. For the tech and gear nerds out there like me, this video was shot on a Mavic 3 Cine. Several of the water clips are high-speed clips, which is 120 FPS, and the rest was shot at 60 FPS and then put on a 29.97 FPS timeline. As always, any of these clips are for sale, so if you want to purchase any of this footage, please feel free to contact me. No matter why you're here, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. My goal for this year is to hit 1,000 subscribers to the channel, and liking the video and obviously subscribing helps a lot. So the proper full name of this area is the Pinawa Dam Provincial Heritage Park. It's located about an hour and a half from Winnipeg, and it's a provincial park, so you need a provincial park pass, which you can buy from the province's website. This footage was shot in early March, and I found that the gate was actually closed, so you have to walk about 400 meters from the road to the parking lot, and then another 100 or 200 meters to the main dam site. So Pinawa Dam was Manitoba's first hydroelectric generating station, and it began delivering power in 1906. It was really important for Winnipeg's growth just before the First World War, as the population and power needs were growing extremely fast at the time. This is why Winnipeg was called the Chicago of the North. The dam actually closed in 1951 to allow the whole flow of the Winnipeg River to serve the Seven Sisters hydro generating station. So although there's still some great water movement, the water levels are extremely low compared to how they were when it was in use. A cool bit of info is that in the late 50s, the Canadian Armed Forces conducted demolition exercises with explosives at the dam site. I'd love to hear and see more information about this, so if anybody has any links, and especially photos, I'd love to see it. The dam site has tons of areas to walk around and explore, and 2 specific walking trails with historical information. Most of the paths are about 1 kilometer or so you'll want to keep at least an hour in mind if you want to circle around both sides and walk over the dam. If you're in the area, you can also visit the Pinawa Suspension Bridge just outside the town of Pinawa, which is about 10 kilometers to the south from the dam site. If you want more information about the Pinawa Dam, both the Manitoba Historical Society and the province of Manitoba have some really good information available online. Now you can just watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again.